Unlocking the secrets of Dear Diary. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have come across in movies, books, or even in everyday conversation. It's the phrase, Dear Diary. This simple, yet intriguing phrase is a portal into personal thoughts and day-to-day experiences. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and the context in which it's often found. Stay tuned to learn why these two words can be so powerful. When someone writes, Dear Diary, they are about to start an entry in their personal journal. It's a way to greet an inanimate object, the diary, as if it were a dear friend, ready to listen without judgment. This phrase is symbolic. It represents a moment of privacy and reflection. We'll look at its origin, why it's used, and what it signifies for the writer. You might be wondering, when do people say this? Typically, it's at the beginning of a journal entry. It's a signal that the writer is transitioning from the outer world of noise and demands to the inner sanctuary of thought and expression. We'll explore the different scenarios in which people use this phrase and what it might look like in a journal. Diary writing has been a cultural staple for centuries, and Dear Diary is a phrase that has persisted through time. In this section, we'll delve into the history of diary writing and its role in various cultures. We'll also discuss how this personal record-keeping has evolved with technology yet still retains the intimate tone with the use of Dear Diary. The phrase has inspired countless works of art, literature, and music. It's a starting point for many stories, a prompt for songs, and even a common theme in visual arts. Here, we'll highlight some creative expressions that have stemmed from the idea of a diary and its role in personal storytelling. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration of Dear Diary, and that it has given you insight into the depth of these two simple words. Whether you're a diary enthusiast or just curious about the phrase, remember that it's a gateway to the soul's musings, a listener always ready at hand. Thank you for watching, and may you find your own Dear Diary moments in life. Goodbye for now, and happy journaling!